today is the annual South East Hants Young Farmers Club tractor run. We are trailing back to Bishops Waltham through the square, to Wickham, to Portsdown Hill, village of Southwick, Denmead, Hambledon, Meonstoke, and then back to Osselbury near Winchester at the end of the day for a pub dinner. And we are raising money for the Multiple Sclerosis Society. One of our advisory members has contracted the disease just recently, and so we always think that charity begins at home, so we're raising money for the MS Society today.
Right, thank you all for coming. What's this, our fourth year? Fourth, fifth year. Seems to be a few more tractors every year. Most of you should sort of know roughly where we're going. Speedy's going to lead the way. Thank you very much to the Gregory's for kindly hosting us this year. So a round of applause to them would be great, thank you. Right, well yeah, if you want to all sort of head towards the tractors, we'll get going in a minute.
We've got 38 tractors on our annual run around the village. All my friends are coming, and the children I met in the village this morning to come and collect for the fundraising for MS. And Michael Speedy is my favourite son-in-law.